What you're going to hear about today is nothing short of a miracle.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jamie and I'm a wife and mom of 3. The goal of today's video is to just give you guys some cleaning motivation. This is my new mom toy. It is the handheld vacuum cleaner by Zarimi and I'm absolutely obsessed with it. It's one of the more powerful handheld vacuum cleaners that I've had so far. Just listen to this. I'll leave the link in the description box if you're interested, but today I'm going to be using this thing for everything, okay? I've had it for a few weeks now and it's super handy for quick cleanups and stuff. So if you're in the market, I would definitely recommend this one. But at this point, I'm going to go ahead and stop talking and just put this video on in the background while you go ahead and work your way through your to-do list, and I'm going to do the same. That is pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much for spending the weekend with me while I got all of my household chores done. If you prefer longer cleaning videos, leave a comment below letting me know that you want something longer than this. Otherwise, I'll keep them short and sweet just to give you a little bit of motivation until you guys get up and start getting your own chores done. But I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. Bye.